Google Analytics works by collecting small pieces of information from a website or app and turning them into reports that show how people use it. When a page loads, a tracking tag or code sends a signal to Google Analytics. That signal can include details such as the page title, the device type, the browser, the time of the visit, and the actions a visitor takes. A visitor does not need to do anything special for this to happen. As long as the tracking code is installed correctly, the system begins recording visits, clicks, sessions, and other events. Each visit is grouped into a session, which helps show how long someone stayed, which pages they viewed, and whether they return later. Google Analytics organizes the incoming data into categories such as users, sessions, page views, events, traffic sources, and conversions. Users are the people who visit the site. Sessions are the periods of activity. Events track specific actions, like clicking a button or watching a video. Traffic sources show where visitors came from, such as search engines, social media, ads, or direct links. The data is then processed and displayed in dashboards and reports. These reports help website owners understand which pages are popular, where visitors leave, what content performs best, and which marketing channels bring the most valuable traffic. Over time, this makes it easier to improve content, design, and advertising decisions. Modern versions of Google Analytics also focus on privacy and flexible event tracking. Instead of relying only on old-style page counters, they measure user behavior more broadly across websites and apps. This gives a clearer picture of the full customer journey, from the first visit to the final purchase or sign-up. In simple terms, Google Analytics works like a translator between visitor behavior and business insight. It watches the digital trail, processes the signals, and turns them into information that people can use to make better decisions.